To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. In this video, we will learn about letter combinations. The letter combination A and R make the R sound. R. Car. Car. Star. Star. Park. Park. Farm. Farm. A car in the park. A car in the park. The letter combination I and R make the sound. Bird. Bird. Girl. Girl. Stir. Stir. The girl can stir. The girl can stir. The letter combination U and R make the sound. Fur. Fur. Surf. Surf. Purple. Purple. Nurse. Nurse. Tom can surf. Tom can surf. The letter combination O and R make the sound. Doctor. Doctor. Tractor. Tractor. Corn on the tractor. Corn on the tractor. The letter combination E and R make the sound. Water. Water. Mixer. Mixer. Ladder. Ladder. Spider. Spider. A spider on a ladder. A spider on a ladder. The letter combination O and U make the ow sound. Ow. House. House. Mouse. Mouse. A mouse in a house. A mouse in a house. The letter combination O and W can make the ow sound. Ow. Cow. Cow. Brown. Brown. I can see a brown cow. I can see a brown cow. The letter combination O and I make the oi sound. Oi. Coin. Coin. Soil. Soil. A coin in the soil. A coin in the soil. The letter combination O and Y make the oi sound. Oi. Toy. Toy. Boy. Boy. The boy has a toy car. The boy has a toy car. The letter combination O and O can make the U sound. U. Book. Book. Foot. Foot. This book is good. This book is good. The letter U can make an U sound. U. Pull. Pull. Bush. Bush. I can pull my dog. I can pull my dog. The letter combination A and U make the O sound. O. Sauce. Sauce. Autumn. Autumn. August. August. I like hot sauce. I like hot sauce. The letter combination A and W can make the O sound. O. Prawn. Prawn. Draw. Draw. I draw and eat prawns. I draw and eat prawns. The letter combination A, L, L make the all sound. All. Ball. Ball. tall, tall. The tall boy has a ball. The tall boy has a ball. The letter combination W and A make the W sound. W. Walk, walk. Water, water, water. The boy can walk. The boy can walk. The letter combination O and R make the OR sound. Or, corn, corn. Fork, fork. Horse, horse. The horse has a fork. The horse has a fork. The letter combination OAR make the OR sound. Or, roar, roar. Board, board. The big tiger roars. The big tiger roars. The letter combinations A, R, and E make the air sound. Air, share, share. Square, square. Pam and Tom share. Pam and Tom share. The letter combination A, I, and R make the air sound. Air, hair, hair. Chair, chair. I have long hair. I have long hair. The letter combination E and A can make the E sound. E. Head, head. Bread, bread. This is my head. This is my head. The letter combination E, A, and R can make the air sound. Air, bear, bear. Pear, pear. The bear eats a pear. The bear eats a pear. The letter combination E, A, and R can make the ear sound. Ear, ear, ear. Here, here. Beard, beard. The man has a beard. The man has a beard. The letter combination E, E, and R make the ear sound. Ear, deer, deer. Cheer, cheer. Steer, steer. I steer by the deer. I steer by the deer. The vowels in English are A, E, I, O, and U. Each vowel has a schwa sound. This is the unstressed sound you hear in a word. You can think of it as a lazy vowel sound. Now let's look at some examples. Panda, panda. Gorilla, gorilla. Umbrella, umbrella. Chicken, chicken. Camel, camel. Pencil, pencil. Family, family. Carrot, carrot. Lemon, lemon. Monkey, monkey. Honey, honey. Surprise, surprise.